What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this the official Galaxy Z Fold 6 S Pen case. Comes here, I got the gray version with the black pen. The black S Pen, it retails for $99.99. Of course I did not pay that. I got this with a bundle when I got the phone. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Take out my little trusty unboxing knife. Set that off to the side. And what comes in the box? What's in the box? Alright, so we got instructions. If you don't know how to put on a phone without instructions, phone case on your phone without instructions, you got some problems. Inside here, it looks like we're gonna have some little, some nibs for the pen. I'm assuming that's what these are. Yep, they are little nibs for, that would be for the pen tip. And if you look, this is the gray color. Barely touched and it already has some fingerprints on it. It's got a little sticker. It says slide to pop up S Pen. So slide here on this little button. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this sticker. Put it back on the box. And then slide to pop up S Pen. So it just pops out like that. Just slide. So there's a little, as you can see, a little mechanism just goes up and down, pops it out with pressure. On the pen, we got a little Samsung logo right here. I don't know if you could see that Samsung logo. You got your pen tip, your nibs, and then you have the little command button right there. So let me grab my phone here, which it obviously doesn't work. For those of you who don't know, it does not work on the outer display. It only works on the inner display. Let me fingerprints there. Alright, so now that I have my S Pen out, you can see that if I press the little button, there's the little S Pen air command. So then you have some air command options, and I had already changed this, as you could see. So you could do all different things like sketch to image. So if you draw something, like if I draw a star and generate a 3D cartoon, it gives you some options. Anyway, so that's your S Pen. Take notes. Next. Hello, YouTube. See? You can do some voice recording, different things. That's all for another video, but alrighty then, let's skip this case on here since that's what we're all here for. I'm gonna put it back on with the Samsung logo sticking out, and then the little, it doesn't fall out either. Got a little QR code sticker on there. I'll take that off too. So the case feels very plasticky. For $99, I guess they spent all their money on R&D because this is actually really thin. There's a little lip. Let me just put it on. So there's no little sticky tabs. This is going to be secured on with a fit, the tight fit. So you just put it on just like that. There's a little raised edge. Let me get this wiped off a little bit. There's a little raised edge here for the camera bump, and then a little bit of raised edge for the pen. So when you put it down, it sits flat. It doesn't, there's no bounce. But obviously when you open it, then there's gonna be some bounce. Well, actually, let me put this side and test that again, but you got your little stickers here. I'm not gonna take these stickers off because I have another case that I wanna try on. But you would normally just peel off these stickers and then put it on, and the stickers help this side stick better. But might actually be fine just cutting off the little stickers, saving them for another day. Let's see if it comes off. Does not come off. Feels good. It does still wobble though because this side is larger than this side. There's some raised edges. But when you put it down on this side, you get a little bit of screen protection. A little bit of a beveled raised edge for screen protection. Yeah. You got a gap here so you could touch your fingerprint, your volume up and down rockers. There's space here obviously as well for your microphone, speaker, and then obviously the charging port, and then speakers up here. I'm sorry, openings for speakers and microphones up here as well. So feels good. No protection on the hinge. The hinge is exposed. It feels good, but it feels very plasticky. The one that I had with the pen on the Fold 4 that I had did not feel plasticky like this. It felt more rubberized. This one definitely feels plasticky. But it does the job and it holds the pen, and it's actually quite thin. So I like it. Anyways, be back with another video. Got some more unboxings for you, and then we'll see what else is next. Take it easy, fellas, ladies.